just outside, isn't he?
I feel like I can range him, I'm just not.
Set too low at the moment.
I thought I was getting him there, but
Yeah.
I might have actually been going over him. I was aiming about 4 or 5 foot high. Fuck.
There's someone straight ahead of us.
I know, I've got a jam. Emergency in-field repairs required.
Bow jam.
Can you see it?
Ooh, that's happened to me. Do you have your file for the VFU?
No.
What small metal things do I have?
No, this I might be able to do it with a bit of a stick or something.
I won't go sticking sticks into a breach, but
Did it?
look at that, guys. We've got contact straight ahead somewhere. Copy.
There we go, I've done it.
Yeah, I've had that jam.
I've not had that for a long time, I'm not sure what just caused it.